For a long time, I thought flexibility was all about achieving beautiful poses. Today, it means something completely different to me. Every practice begins the same way, preparing my body, waking up my joints, and giving my spine the time it needs to open, little by little. I'm not trying to force anything, I'm simply learning to listen to my body. Today's main poses are breath and heel and wheel. There are two backbends I genuinely enjoy because they remind me how much my body has changed through consistent practice. As I gradually improve, I used to deal with frequent upper back pain. My back felt stiff, tight, and restricted. As I gradually improved my
I want the
spinal
deepest
mobility
back
and overall
bend
flexibility,
or the
those
most
edges slowly became less
impressive
frequent.
pose.
I practice
That's
because
why I
I
love
keep
feeling a body
practicing,
that moves
not
with
because I
more
want
freedom.
the deepest back bend or the most impressive pose. I practice because I love feeling a body that moves with more freedom. I love practicing bridge pose, Setu Bandha Sarvangasana. It stretches my chest, improves spinal flexibility, calms my mind, reduces stress, and supports healthy digestion. It has also been incredibly helpful in managing my perimenopause symptoms, which is one of the reasons I kept coming back to this pose. Seeing my will pose improve makes me genuinely happy. Every small improvement reminds me that progress comes from consistency, not perfection. This pose challenges my strength, flexibility, and my patience. As I press through my hands and feet, lift my hips and gently arch my spine, I focus on moving with control instead of forcing the shape. For me, wheel pose isn't just about creating a deeper back bend, it's about building confidence, improving spinal mobility, opening my chest, and celebrating what my body can do. Today, I finished my practice and I feel a little bit tired. So, thank you for practicing with me. And you can subscribe to my channel and watch every practice during the week, from Monday and Fridays. Alright? So many hugs for you. I love you. Bye.